Hello. 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 Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? Good evening, all of you. Okay. Yes. So thank you for joining with me. Today I am not going to take much time. It's hardly 10 minutes. Fine. So let me tell you, today you are going to write a test, right, on ratio proportion, indices log, equation, inequalities, time value of money, and the permutation combination. Just I am going to explain you how to write this test. Of course, you already uploaded the, you have already downloaded our app. Yeah, test will be conducted through app. Okay, today evening after my session gets over, you will get access to write the test until tomorrow evening. So whenever you get time, you write a test, because in that what you will come to know is what is your weakness, what is your strength, even small points, how much time you are taking, what is the time consumption for each problem, everything you will come to know, and you can compare your marks with the people who are doing it very fast or who are the toppers in the classroom. You can compare your speed, accuracy, everything can be tested. And also which topic you are lagging, which topic you are good, that report also you will be getting after submitting the test. In the 4 to 5 hours, that report also will get generated. So it's one of its kind of test series, my dear. I don't know how many of you, that is our students know how to write the test, but if you are a non-IQ students, you may not be knowing how to do it, because when you write the test through app only, you are going to write the test. You cannot attend the call during the test time. You cannot go out of that page. If you go out of the page, automatically test will get submitted. You cannot chat with anyone. That app, once you open, means everything should get, everything will be logged automatically. But in spite of that, if you go and do something, it will not be visible, my dear. And as soon as you open the test, 2 hours means automatically within that 2 hours it will get logged. Okay, if it is 2 hours test, whatever time you are starting, from that time in 2 hours it will end. So you cannot take more time also. Okay, fine. This is point number 1. So this is the way you are going to write the test series. That is the test, especially mathematics test, what you are joined for our Lunar batch. And you just see the report, how beautiful report you are getting. And each and every test will be conducted in that style only. Okay. The same way, we are organizing preliminary examination, which is commencing from 4th November for our IQ students. There are many students who called and asked, sir, can we write that exam, can we write that exam? So for you also it is open, my dear. So those who are interested, but it's a paid test series. For mathematics, I am giving it for free, but other subjects you need to pay. In that test series also you will be getting know your mistake concept. For example, accounts and law. In accounts and law, physically the papers will get tested and you will come to know where you are lagging, which topic, what is your strength, what is your weakness. That type of report will get generated. Okay, that type of report will get generated. And if you want to come to know, yes sir, in which chapter I am, how to write the exam, which chapter I am lagging, everything will be there in that know your report concept, my dear. So that's one of a beautiful concept. First time in Chennai we are introducing that concept. Okay, we are the only people who have introduced this concept. Fine. So this is point number 2. And point number 3, there is a flexibility in preliminary examination. What is the flexibility? I'll tell you. There are total 6 test series. That is 6 prelims we are planning for our students. And for paid test series, if you think, sir, 4th I am not prepared enough, sir, I don't want to write it on 4th, can I write a second test series, second prelims or third prelims? Whenever you want to write, you can write it, my dear. So what happens, you know, if you want to write, for example, from first to last, all that 6 prelims you want to write, you can write it. Or, sir, I would like to write only third prelims, you can write it. For that test series only you will be paying. Okay, so the paid test series based on what are the tests you are writing, okay, what are the tests you are writing. So, but we have to pay it in advance. So that details also will be sent to you, those who are registered for test series program. If you are interested, you can write that test also. And also I am requesting all to come here to write the test. Okay, if you are student, if the students are from Chennai, please come and write the test here, my dear. So that what happens, you know, we will come to know, because here invigilance, if there is invigilations, everything will happen. And I want you to write the test here. And outstation students, of course, you can write it online. Question papers will be uploaded through app, and you can upload your answer sheet also. So everything is set. Only thing is what you have to come and write the test. So people are asking how much amount, sir. It's very nominal amount. For example, if you are writing only one prelims, you need to pay 750 rupees. For IQ students, of course, it is by default you are going to write. For you, nothing. For non-IQ students, I am telling you, for one prelims you are writing, it is 750 rupees. If you are writing two prelims, it is 1200 rupees. If you are writing three prelims, it is 1499. Four prelims, it goes on like that. If you are writing all 6 prelims, then you want to write means it is 2499. So we are giving it throwaway price, because we would like to have more number of participants, my dear. We would like to have more number of participants. Sir, if I write the test, what I will come to know? Because you will come to know where you are lagging, okay, where you are lagging. So proper test report will be generated, and after every exams you will be getting the mark sheets also. So my dear, I am requesting all to write this prelims and get the new experience, because whatever we are doing in the classroom, that is not only enough. When you don't know what to write in the examination, definitely it is going to affect, my dear, affect your results. So I request you to write prelims. If you have joined any other coaching institute, if they are conducting preliminary examination there, please write that prelims. I am encouraging, see, because writing exam is very, very important, my dear. Writing exam is very, very important. And how the papers will be corrected, when you will get the papers, I will tell you. For example, accounts exam you are starting, right? Accounts exam you are starting. Then when you complete your economics exam, on that day you will get your marks, and also suggested answer for all the papers will be uploaded on economics exam time. That is, accounts exam gets over, you will have to prepare for law, you have to prepare for maths, you have to prepare for economics. Once economics exam gets over, then immediately you will get the suggested answer for accounts and law, and answers for maths and economics. So it's a well planned preliminary examination test series, my dear. If you would like to write the test, please, that is already the registrations, everything is open. Those who wants to register, you can register, or call us on 91761 81444 and take the inquiries, my dear. Okay. Now, if there is any doubt you have got, please ask me now. Any doubt you have got, please ask me now. Do you have any doubt? You can ask me now. Otherwise, anyhow, we are going to meet at 7:30. We'll be meeting. So, தயவு செஞ்சு யாருக்காவது எதுவும் டவுட் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா கேளுங்க. நம்ம ஆஃபீஸ் வந்து வெஸ்ட்மாம்பலத்தில் இருக்குது. உங்களுக்கு வந்து எழுதணும்னா தயவு செஞ்சு நேரில் வந்து எழுதுனீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப நல்லது. ஓகே, நேரில் வந்து எழுதுறது ரொம்ப நல்லது. நம்ம வீட்டில் உட்காந்து எழுதுறதுக்கும் நேரில் வந்து எழுதுறதுக்கும் நிறைய வித்தியாசம் இருக்குது. நம்ம பசங்கிட்ட இருக்கக்கூடிய பெரிய பிரச்சனை இந்த சோம்பேறித்தனம். வரத்துக்கு யோசிக்கிறாங்க, எதுக்காண்டி வரத்துக்கு யோசிக்கிறாங்கன்னு தெரியல. டெஸ்ட்டுக்கெலாம் யாராவது கிளாஸ்க்கு வருவாங்களா சார்? இதெல்லாம் வேறு யோசிச்சுட்டு இருப்பாங்க. டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு வராமல் வேறு எதுக்குப்பா கிளாஸ்க்கு வர போகிறோம் நம்ம? ஓகே, ஸோ அதனால் தயவு செஞ்சு வந்து எழுதுனீங்க அப்படின்னா ரொம்ப நல்லது. I request all to come and write the test, my dear. Today there is a test or not? Pratish, இன்னைக்கு இருக்க test, today's test and all will be uploaded. 10 o'clock the portal will be. That is, say, max test, whatever I am keeping now, that is for free of cost only. You don't need to pay anything for my maths test, because that I am doing it. But other test and all now, there is some cost involved, so that you have to bear it, my dear. That's what I said. Today's test portal will open at 10 o'clock. But when you, evening 10 o'clock, if you want to write tomorrow morning, you write it. Whenever you want to write, you write it. But when you write, please give your 100%. It's 100 marks exam. 2 hours you have to give. Last time to upload the answer sheet, sir. Sushmita, once you start the test, from there it is 2 hours. That's it. There is no last time and all. Once 2 hours gets over, automatically the paper will get submitted. So when you write the test, you cannot, what you know, sir, half an hour I'll write. Then after that I'll come and write another half an hour. That is not going to happen. Continuously you are going to write 2 hours. So give that 2 hours. Vaishnavi, for mathematics exam and all, you no need to upload. As soon as you press the submit button, automatically what you know, result will be generated. But this one, if you are writing preliminary examination like accounts and law, Of course, through your phone, you have to upload it. In the app only you have to upload. Answer sheets will be corrected there in the app, and the answer sheet you will get it. Okay. Is the paper 3 on preliminary free? No. Paper 3 preliminary examination is nothing is free, my dear. Maths test I am conducting chapter wise exams, so that you can write. Preliminary examination definitely not for free of cost. Yes. Is where the anything else you would like to ask, you can ask. Otherwise, you can just contact me, my dear, 9940687199. This is my number. Okay, Sushmita, today morning you spoke to me. I hope you got the clarity, right? Yes. So, this is what I wanted to tell you, my dear. Please remember, once you start writing the test series through app, please remember, if it is 2 hours test series, you should give 2 hours dedicated test series. Okay, 2 hours dedicated test series. You cannot just ignore, okay, only 15 minutes, let's see how we are writing. That is not going to happen. 2 hours you should sit. If 15 minutes only you are writing the test, and after that if you go out of the app, means automatically the test will be submitted. If you want to reopen it, that is not going to happen. So take this very seriously, take this very seriously. Once again I am telling you, take this test very, very seriously. Those who have registered for test series, they only will get that question paper, my dear. Not for everyone, it won't be available on public domain. So if you are registering for that program, like that is test series means what? Max test series. We opened one portal for max test series. That registration, if you are making it, then only you will be able to write the test. Not for, it is not a public domain. Okay. Second point, preliminary exam. Sir, I am not going to register for preliminary examination. Can I write this only max test? Of course you can write. You can write. There is nothing wrong in it. So those who are going to register for prelims, those people only can write max exam. No, my dear. Yaar venala eludalam. Okay, va? Yes. Rahul Raj, that is MCQ. You please check that app. On 10 manikku open agumbodhu check panni paare. Just check it. How the answers are. Just you have to click it on the app only. You are not going to write anything on the paper. Okay, you are not going to write anything on the paper. And after that, the people who are writing test, what is going to happen, I'll tell you. After 2 days, we are going to have a session of the paper what you are writing now, that 100 questions you are writing now, those 100 questions I am going to solve on a live program. So you can just come and check what exactly the answers are. Is that clear, my dear? But it won't be there on YouTube, it is only through Zoom. Link for prelims registration. Yes, Sushmita, link for prelims registration engappa? Okay, fine. என்னோட நம்பர் இருக்கு எழுதிங்க. இன்னைக்குள்ள see today's maths test is the 5 topics up to permutation combination, all topics, my dear. Okay, see in that what beautiful report you are going to get, you know, how many easy questions are there. In easy questions how many marks you score, how much marks you scored. In medium type level question how much you scored, and difficult level question how much you scored. See, complete analysis report you are going to get, my dear. Okay, complete analysis report you are going to get. So such a fantastic test series. The people who are from HiQ, they know how to do it. Okay, registration link is there on the chat box. Please check it, my dear. So please understand, first time you are going to use this app, for you it's going to be different experience. You will be in different level. Okay, you will be in different level. HiQ students, for them it is daily basis work. It's one among the test series. That's it. For non-HiQ students, it's a different level of test, my dear. You can check yourself with the top time accuracy, each and every detailed report you are going to get it, my dear. Okay, there is no AP or GP. No, this test series I am not including AP GP. Next test I will be including AP GP. Okay, next test I am including AP and GP. Is that clear, all of you? Okay, அடுத்த டெஸ்ட்ல நான் AP GP எல்லாம் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவேன், மை டியர். அதாவது ஒரு போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் ரிப்போர்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம டெஸ்ட் எழுதுறோம், மார்க் வருது, இதை வச்சு ஏதாவது நம்மளால படிக்க முடியும். முக்கியமாக இது செல்ஃப் ஸ்டடி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அவங்களுக்குலாம் இது வரப்பிரசாதம். ஏன்னா செல்ஃப் ஸ்டடி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு கைடு பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஆள் இல்லாத போது நாங்கள் அதுக்கு தான் இந்த டெக்னாலஜியை கிரியேட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறோம். இந்த டெக்னாலஜியில் என்ன தெரியும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கி, யூ வில் கம் டு நோ வேர் வி ஆர் லேகிங். சார் எனக்கு பர்முடேஷன் காம்பினேஷன் சார் மார்க்கே வர மாட்டேங்குது. அந்த அளவுக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ரிசைஸாக நீங்கள் வந்து பேச முடியும். ஓகே, ரொம்ப ப்ரிசைஸாட்டு உங்களை வந்து இது பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அதனால் திரும்பவும் சொல்கிறேன், இது பெரிய ஒரு வரப்பிரசாதம் தான் செல்ஃப் ஸ்டடி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு. அதர் அகாடமி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எங்கள் டெஸ்ட் சீரிஸ் அவங்க ரொம்ப பெருசா பண்ணலையோ அவங்களுக்கும் இது ஒரு பெரிய விஷயமா தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ தயவு செஞ்சு ஒரு வாட்டி எழுதி பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க வந்து டிசைட் பண்ணுங்க. பட் ரிமெம்பர் மை டியர், எவ்ரிதிங் we cannot offer it for free also, right? இதில் எல்லாத்துலையும் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் காஸ்ட் இருக்கோ அங்கெல்லாம் காஸ்ட் இன்வால்வ் ஆகுதுன்னா எஸ் we cannot do it. இப்போ ஷேக் சாரோட காஸ்ட் ஓகே, நான் என்னோட டைம் தான் நான் கொடுக்குறேன். பட் அதே நேரத்தில் மற்றதெல்லாம் வரும்போது வந்து எல்லாத்துலேயும் ஒரு காஸ்ட் இன்வால்வ் ஆயிருக்கு. சிஏ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யூ அவேர் அபவுட் இட், ஓகே? ஸோ அதனால தான் மற்ற சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ்லாம் எழுதும்போது நீங்கள் வந்து அதுக்கு உண்டான பேமெண்ட்டு அது ஒரு நாமினல் அமௌண்ட் தான் வைக்கிறேன். வி ஆம் நாட் சார்ஜிங் 6,500 7,000 rupeesலாம் கிடையாது. ரொம்ப நாமினல் சார்ஜஸ். பிகாஸ் வென் யூ பே தென் ஒன்லி யூ வில் பி வெரி மச் சீரியஸ் அபவுட் த எக்ஸாம். பேமெண்ட் இல்லாமல் ஃப்ரீயாக டெஸ்ட்டு போன வாட்டி வைக்கும்போது பசங்க யாருமே எழுதுறதுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டே காமிக்கல. பைசா வாங்கினா தான் வந்து எழுதவே செய்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அதனால் அட்லீஸ்ட் உங்களை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறதுக்காண்டி இது வச்சிருக்கிறோம்ப்பா, ஓகேவா? ஃபைன். ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல் ஃப்ரம் மை சைட். ரிஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் லிங்க் அந்த சேட் பாக்ஸில் இருக்குது. டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் ரிஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் லிங்க் வந்துடும். ஸோ நீங்கள் அந்த டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் லிங்க்கில் போயிட்டு நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க அப்படின்னு எனக்கு யூ கேன் அப்லோட், ஓகே? டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் லிங்க்கில் போட்டு விட்ருப்போம் அதெல்லாம், ஓகே? ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல் மை டியர். வில் மீட் அட் 7:30 டுடே. 7:30 மணிக்கு நம்ம மீட் பண்ணலாம், ஓகே? பாய் எவ்ரிவன். ஏதாவது வாங்க பார்க்கணுமா? வாட் ஆல் டாபிக்ஸ் வில் பி தேர் இன் தட் செஸ்டர்? மஹேக், just now only I said na, up to permutation combination. The remaining chapters will be in the next test, okay? Remaining chapters will be in the next test. But if you upload, if you have our HiQ app, then only you will come to know, otherwise you will not come to know. So please check our notifications every now and then. Check our notification every now and then. Those who are writing it for the first time, this type of test, I have a small request. Once report got generated, you please message me how you felt about the report. ஏன்னா உங்க ரிப்போர்ட் என்கிட்டே வந்துரும். ஸோ எனக்கு ரிப்போர்ட்லாம் வந்துரும். பட் ஐ வாண்ட் ஃப்ரம் யுவர் சைட், ஐ வாண்ட் டு நோ what is your experience on that, because we have seen each and every, that is even minute things also we have taken care. ஸோ அதனால் அது எழுதி பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு உங்களுடைய ஒரு சஜஷன் வேணும். சார் நல்லா இருந்ததுன்னா நல்லா இல்லை, இல்லைன்னா இல்லை, எதோ இருக்குதுன்னா நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்கள், ஓகே? எஸ். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். We will meet at 7:30 sharp with the sets, relations and the functions, okay? So bye everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you.